Hello, little boy.
Hello, Teacher Nick.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon to Mr. Nick.
Good afternoon. What's your name?
My name is Brian.
Brian. Nice to meet you.
Two.
Nice to meet you.
Two.
Nice to meet you too. Brian, how are you today?
Six.
How are you?
Brian. Teacher.
I'm fine. Thank you. What happened? Are you okay? Are you sleepy?
No.
Are you hungry?
No.
No. Are you tired? Oh.
No.
No. Okay, then smile, okay? You look so sleepy. Okay, now let's do some exercise first. Ready? Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Put them on your head. Head, very good. Okay, now can you please rub your stomach? Pinch your nose. Pinch your nose. Pinch. Pat your shoulders. Pat your shoulders. Shoulder. Very good. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, I am. Okay. Can you please tell me what color do you like?
I like blue.
You like blue. Very good. And what animals do you like?
I like zebra.
You like zebras? What animals do you see at the zoo?
I see kangaroo, zebra,
And
and monkey.
where do you see them? At the
Zoo.
zoo. Very good. And what animals do you see on the farm?
I see horse, cow, and
I see cow,
sheep
and sheep
in the farm.
on the farm. Very nice. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now here I will show you some cards, and you tell me what is it. Okay. Ready? What's this?
Milk.
Milk. Do you like to drink milk?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Butter. Cheese. Scratch. Fat. Pinch. Kick. Hit. Roach. Noodles. Ham. Juice. Hot dog. Salad. Pancake. Hamburger. Popcorn.
Very good. Okay, now please tell me, is it nice to hit or pinch or kick your friends?
No.
No, that's not nice, yeah? And what's nice then? What's nice? What are the nice things to say?
Johnny Bear.
Be nice like Johnny Bear. Very good. Okay, now here, do you know Weekends Are Cool song?
We are cool.
Very good. Do you know the song? Do you like to sing that song?
Yeah.
Okay, now before we sing our song, can you please look at the cards and tell me what day is it? Okay? What day is this?
Monday.
Monday. Good job. And this one?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good.
Wednesday.
Good.
Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Sunday. Weekend.
Weekend. Very good. Okay. Now here we have a song. Weekends are cool. Okay? Can you please sing this song, please? Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. On all those days, I go to school. Then comes Saturday and Sunday. I with my family, and that is cool.
Very good. Can you please tell me what comes after Monday? What comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Tuesday. And what do you know your ABC? A B C D. Do you know your alphabets? You don't know alphabets? A B C D. Okay, fine. All right. So now please tell me what day comes before Tuesday. What day comes before Tuesday?
Monday.
Monday. Very nice. Okay. Now here, please tell me when we cough, sneeze, or bump into someone, what do we say?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, or we say excuse me, please. Very nice. Now, what are the nice things to say? I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
You're welcome.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me.
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Uh-huh. And thank you. These are some very nice things to
To
say.
say.
Nice things to say. And nice things to do. Don't hit, don't kick, or pinch your friends, okay? Don't fight with your friends. These are the nice things to do. Very good. Okay, so now here I have a poem for you to say, okay? First of all, look at the card and tell me what letter is this?
Letter J.
Hmm.
Make one sound.
And can you please make the j sound and read the word?
Jam. Pajamas. Jump.
Very good. Just speak up, okay? Now here, hold the pointer, track the words, and read the poem.
Jam. Jam on my pancake. Jam on my bread. Jam in my donut. Not on my hair.
Not on my
Hair.
head.
Head.
Very good. Can you please point p, p sound?
Pancake.
Very good. P, pancake. What about b?
Bread.
Very good. What about d?
Donut.
Very nice. Okay. Now please tell me, what do you want for dinner?
I want rice
And what
and chicken
for
dinner.
very good. Okay, we have one more song for you to sing, okay? Now here, can you please first of all tell me what's the name of the song?
Big, big turkey.
Very good. Can you please sing?
I'm a big, big turkey. I eat and eat. I am so fat. I can't see my feet. When I walk, whoa, 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 whoa. When I talk, go, go, go. I'm a big, big turkey. I eat and eat.
Good job. Okay, please tell me, is turkey fat or thin?
Fat,
Very good. Is turkey big or little?
big,
Very good. Turkey is big. All right. What about you? Are you big or little?
little,
See, I'm
little.
little. Okay. Can turkey see its feet?
No,
No. Why not? Why not?
the turkey is very, very big.
Because turkey is very, very big and fat. So turkey cannot see its feet. Can you see your feet?
Yeah,
Yes, I can see my feet. Can you see your back?
no,
No, I can't see my back. Very good. Now here we have a chant, cow, cow. Can you please say cow,
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 cow.
all white and black.
Give me milk for my snack. Cow, cow, oh white and black. Give me ice cream for my snack. Cow, cow, oh white and black. Give me some cheese for my snack. Cow, cow, oh white and black. Give me butter for my snack. Cow, cow, the cow I see. Cat and Jack a snack with me.
Very good. Come and have a snack with me. Okay. Now here, if you want some snack, then how do you say your mother? Hmm?
Mother,
Give me
me some snack.
some snack. What snack? Mother, give me
Me snack.
mm, what snack? Pizza, ice cream, sandwich, sweets. What snack?
Ice cream, pizza, and
Mother, give
sweets.
me sweets for my snack.
Snack.
Mother, give me sandwiches for my snack. Okay, very good. All right. So now we have a story for you to read. Okay, now hold the pointer, track the words, and read.
Jam,
Jan, Jan.
jam on my bread. I like jam on my bread. Ham on my pizza. I like ham on my pizza. Is with my rice. I like eggs with my rice. Noodles in my soup. I like noodles in my soup. Cheese in my sandwich. I like cheese in my sandwich. Milk with my cookies. I like milk with my cookies. Meat in my spaghetti. I like meat in my spaghetti. Butter on my popcorn. I like butter on my popcorn. Chicken with my salad. I like chicken with my salad. Candy on my ice cream. I like candy on my ice cream. Cake for my birthday. I like cake for my birthday.
The end.
And
Okay. Now please tell me, what do you like for your birthday?
I like a sweet
Mm-hmm. Sweets for what?
and candy
Mm-hmm.
ice cream
For what?
for birthday.
For my birthday. Okay. What do you like in your sandwich?
I like salad,
You like
tomato,
mm-hmm. And
and bread for my sandwiches.
for my sandwiches. Very good. Okay. So now, can you please tell me what day is it today?
And Tuesday.
Today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very nice, Brian. You have done a really great job here. And our speaking time is over for today. And it's time for us to say goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, teacher.
everyone.
See
Goodbye,
you again.
teacher.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.